Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
During major Chinese holidays and festivals, Hakka people prepare offerings for Agongpo, a respectful name for all their ancestors. Hakka people remember and express gratitude for their ancestors' sacrifices, and the idea of respecting the Agongpo is a very important element of Hakka culture.
Hello, everyone. It's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And all month long, we're talking about certain beliefs that the Hakka culture, Hakka people have. And I think one of the most common things is to pay respect to your ancestors, or pray with your ancestors. 其实在这个台湾呢，大家都会这个所谓的拜祖先啦，对不对这个应该是最基本的一个这个信仰跟习俗啦，对呀。
其实对客家人来说，客家人是对祖先非常非常的尊敬那所以呢，我们那个拜阿公婆这个应该说是这个祭拜的仪式在每个节日像什么过年那些什么，几乎每个节日都会拜，
都一定会。OK，你刚刚讲了，对这个所谓拜祖先，客家话是怎么说？
叫拜阿公婆。
拜阿公婆 ，OK， that's actually paying respect to your ancestors，但是它整个总称就是所有的祖先，
就是所有的祖先。
OK，because they have a term that's kind of friendly, kind of close, but it actually just means everyone, all your ancestors. And again, it's commonly exercised during pretty much every festival. 你刚刚讲到，除了我们比较经常的，可能是农历春节的时候才会拜啦，
对的，几乎所有的大节日我们都会拜，而且客家人那个拜阿公婆，还有另外一个，我们就要讲到瓜字。就是扫墓
瓜字
那个我们扫墓的时间呢，这个通常是在元宵节过后就陆续的在扫墓。
Okay, so this has been going on for a couple of months. 已经连续大概2个月前就已经开始了这样子。
对，
到现在。Okay, that's a good practice actually. There's also something called a tomb sweeping festival, but for the Hakka people, they actually start the tomb sweeping service after Chinese New Year. After the 15th day of the Chinese New Year, they start doing that. 其实大家也建议大家也不一定要扫墓节的时候去扫墓了。
对啊，不然就很容易塞车嘛。
So again, the act of paying respect to your ancestors through praying， 也就是要这个拜祖先，怎么说？
拜阿公婆。
拜阿公婆。And during tomb sweeping, it's called 扫墓。
瓜字
，OK， 好像瓜子的感觉但是瓜子
差一点点
OK, so there you go. That's today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.